lovelies. Lemon facial, anybody? You know? Nice, a bowl of lemons. Now I googled how to try and keep cats away from your gardens. And oh, it's nice and warm on the hands. It's warm water. It all said citrus is a good one. So what I've done is I've been to Asda, got some lemons, and I've peeled them, squeezed all the juice inside the bowl, and put the lemons in, then filled it with hot water and warm water. And then I'm going to go and put it in my caravan pot and do the bird table. So you can move with me. Yes. Thought we'd do a bit of advertising as well, so follow the name. Follow the name. Follow the name. Follow the name. Fancy falling over. Follow the name. Follow the name. Follow the name. Right, so I'm going to put this under here, right under here, because this is where they tend to go. I'm going to put that there like that, and then every couple of days I'm going to, it's not very level, the bottom, because it's not going to, can't get further in. There, it's fine there, it'll go under the car and everything. Do you think I should put it up high? I want it down low. I don't want it low for the smell, to keep them out. If you have it up high, the smell will go up high, not down low. So well, hopefully that smell there will stop them from going in. That's the plan, you know. Got to protect my birdies, which haven't been around that much. But then saying that, I come down here and there's things missing. So they must have been about. But I'm refreshing it all. Even the peanuts are getting tipped out because they need refreshing. Yeah, I'm putting a new one in. So this pile is getting tipped on the floor, like so. And this lot's going on my other one. Now I've moved my other bird table. Go see. Look. I've moved it more forward. Oh, it's a windy day. It is. Obviously, that's not been eaten that much either. That one, there was 3 in there half an hour ago. So, I don't know how all of a sudden there's only this one. And I can't see them anywhere, so I don't know how they've managed to squeeze them out of it. But there's only one now. So we're going to put this on there as well. Yes, don't get over refresh. I think what I'm going to do is move this one down to here. Hang that there. That had some in this morning as well. So that needs refilling. Peanuts do, mealworms, and I don't know what to put in there because they weren't a huge fan of the other fat boys. So I might put the other fat boys in. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Just get my table. Just so I can put my box on it. Heavy. It looks like I might have to go down and invest a few, about £10 again. My box is getting a bit empty. Baby shark, sorry. Somebody's just rung my phone and that's my ringtone. Right, so we want one of these sewage blocks to go in the block. I still want to do this throughout winter, you know, with the bird food. I know, but I can come down in my frozen dressing gown and do it one morning, slippers bundled up. But that's when they need the food more than even in the summer. What are you mouthing? Snowman out here, I'll freeze. So I've only got 4 of these left. Should I put them in? anything. But then there's loads of sunflower seeds in here and things, you know, out of these. These. So it's like they have been enjoying them, but maybe I just put too much out at once. I'll finish that bag off of premium fat boys. Maybe I should have saved them for winter. We can hear them. The signals are going out to say that she's restocking. Right, so you want some of this seed. Is it this seed that I've got open? No, it's this seed that I've got open. Some of this over here. I'm wondering, you know, whether to put my seed one back up and only have one peanut. No, this one. Take a peanut one down for a change and half fill this. Just to see how that goes this time, yeah, because last time they didn't eat it, so I'll just see how that goes now. So I've had 2 lots of peanuts for ages, haven't I? I have to change it up a bit. I just hope my citrus works. My birds haven't been coming, but then you look at my bird table and is it just the fact that I've been missing them? As in they've been coming at a different time to me, watching. Do you know what I mean? I kind of do have another bag of peanuts in here already. Right. I have another full bag of peanuts. They eat better than me. Peanuts filled. Mealworms filled. Right, we need something there. What should I put there? Should I try this again? But then I've got those seeds. I know, they didn't eat it. So should I try again or not bother? So I've got seeds there, got seeds over there. There's one down there on the floor that they never ate. Leave that one then. I'll hang another coconut because I've got one at the bottom that's partially been eaten. And we'll put this one up. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. So there we go. Seed, peanuts, coconut, premium fat boys. Civet block, mealworms, another coconut, water. Water, water, water. Right, where does water's right up there? Why is the water right up here? Mr. Producer filled it for me. Of course. some more water in there. Right, so that's the bird table. Filled again. Everything, isn't it? Peanuts, seeds. Am I buying the wrong seeds? Do you think? Is that why you're not like them? Should I get luxury blend or something? No. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, I'll get some different seeds. I've got other seeds in that box to put out. I've got an inch. That'll need, at one point, why? My pot's broke back there. It fell off and smashed. I've just noticed that. Look. Down there. It fell off and smashed. How's that? So yeah, at some point, probably give it another couple of weeks, I'll empty that off onto the garden and refresh all that as well on there. Ready for winter coming. Hello. I think we're getting into autumn now. Oh, there's a peanut. There's pigeons. I can hear the pigeons. I'll move this out of the way now. Woo! I'm going for a stick. Sit. Yeah. Okay, I'm going. You can come and eat in a minute. Yeah. So there we go. Hopefully the citrus will work to keep the cats away, so my lovely birds will come back to play. Yes, I'm hoping. Fingers tightly crossed. But like it for me, guys. Subscribe to all my brilliant, beautiful channels. We have Adelesexyuk Red, Adelesexyuk Pink, Adelesexyuk Yellow, Adelesexyuk White, Adelesexyuk USA. Oh, we're on white, I've just been informed. So hello. Yes, Adele UK Gamer, Adelesexyuk Lego. Go check that out. Subscribe because new videos coming. Adelesexyuk Yoga. I think that's it. And then my Twitter, Instagram, and my brilliant Patreon. All at Adelesexyuk. And I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye. Are you staying there and I'm going? Okay. Mwah. Goodbye.